Welcome everyone. It is a problem of symmetry basically. The question is, if a uniform rod of length capital L is bent at the midpoint such that the two halves are inclined at an angle theta. So this is my angle theta and this is L by 2 and this length is also L by 2. The two halves incline at an angle theta with each other, then find the position of the center of mass. So before that I am just want to say that if it is a particle of mass m and if it is another particle of mass m, since both of having the same mass, then its center of mass will be on the line joining these two masses and it is at the center. So this is the symmetry. So similarly, if I just consider that for this particular rod of length L by 2, since it is of uniform mass density, so its center of mass will be located somewhere here and that is at a distance L by 4 from this bend. Similarly, here also we can say for this part the center of mass will be at a distance L by 4 from this bend. So this is the position of the center of mass, say C1, and this is the position of the center of mass, say C2, of this part C2, of this part C1. Now I can represent these two as a particle C1 and this one as a C2. So if this rod is of length capital M, then these two equal halves have the masses m by 2 and m by 2. So this is the point of bending, or can say the point of inflection. So here it makes an angle theta. So if I want to find it, then obviously this center of mass of these two mass points will be at the midpoint, and if I just connect this point and C, the point of bending O and C, then this is my line OC, or you can say the line of symmetry, and this angle will be nothing but theta divided by 2. Now since this length is L by 4 and this length is also L by 4, so the position OC, the position of C, or we can say the OC, can be denoted as from O as L divided by 4 cos theta divided by 2. Because it is L by 4, so its component along OC will be L by 4 cos theta by 2, as well as the component of OC2 along OC will be L by 4 cos theta by 2. So option B is the correct answer. Thank you all of you.